How we doing, guys? Something new for you today. So we've got this Porsche Taycan in where the vehicle wouldn't even move. Customers brought it into us. We managed to get it off the trailer. We can now get it into a state where we can push it. So let's push it in and see what we can find. Right, so we've got POS set up and connected to the vehicle, so let's scan for some faults to see what we can see. Right, so we carried out programming and everything yesterday. Everything went through all right. We left the vehicle locked up overnight as well, just to make sure communication didn't drop out at any point. That all went okay. So now all that's left is just to carry out a road test to make sure it's all good. Yes, as expected, no issues. No warning lights have come on. Seems as though communication's going down okay. We'll just put it into the workshop. I'll get a tester on it, double check there's no fault codes in it, and should be good to go. So carried out the fault code read, all good, no issues there. It's ready to give back to the customer now. So if you've got any issues with your Porsche, come here to Bartlett Automotive Huntingdon and we'll get it sorted for you.